Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to access ChatGPT Chat. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up Google Chrome on your Android or iOS smartphone. If you are on iOS, you can use the Safari browser, and then you need to type here ChatGPT, and then you will click on the first link where it says introducing ChatGPT. So just click on the first link and then click on this try ChatGPT option here. So just click on this one, and then it will ask you for the login. Okay, so you will just need to log in with your ChatGPT account, and then you will see this kind of interface. Now you have accessed ChatGPT on your Android or iOS smartphone, and then you can basically write anything like write 2-line poetry, and then you will click on this blue button here, and then it will start writing for you. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.